How much should you actually spend on a cast iron skillet? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Lodge 10.25-inch skillet. The Lodge seasoned cast iron skillet at 10.25 inches caught my eye with its solid reputation and bestseller badge, priced at just $24.32. If you want something that cooks evenly and stands the test of time, this is worth a serious look. Here's the thing, this skillet is pre-seasoned, meaning you can dive right into cooking without worrying about sticking. It retains heat brilliantly, so whether you're searing steak or frying eggs, you get consistent results every time. Plus, it's compatible with just about any heat source, even induction. With a whopping 164,200 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, it's clear people love it. Now, some people complained about it being a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and heat retention, weight is actually a good sign. If you're someone who likes a lighter pan, this might not be for you. This skillet is perfect for you if you're serious about your cooking and want something that lasts. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight or only cook small meals. For the quality you're getting, it's a great price. Now, if the weight of the Lodge skillet bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Lodge 6.5-inch skillet. Next up is the Lodge 6.5-inch skillet, priced at just $12.95. This compact option really caught my attention for those quick meals or single servings. If you want something small but mighty, this is worth a serious look. This little skillet is made from the same durable cast iron, perfect for even heat distribution. It's also pre-seasoned, meaning you can cook with confidence right out of the box. Its size makes it easy to store, which is a major plus if you're short on space. With a 4.7-star rating from 164,200 reviewers, people appreciate its performance for smaller meals. However, some users mention that it's too small for larger cooking tasks. But honestly, if you're looking for a quick breakfast or a side dish, this compact size is just what you need. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for one or have limited kitchen space. Skip this one if you typically cook for a larger group. It's a steal for the quality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for versatility. Product number 3, Lodge 12-inch skillet. The Lodge 12-inch skillet is next, coming in at $34.90. This one really shines for family meals and larger cooking tasks. If you want a pan that can handle it all, this is worth a serious look. This skillet boasts a generous size and superior heat distribution, meaning you can cook multiple servings at once without any hot spots. Plus, it comes with a silicone handle holder, which is super handy for safe transport. With 164,200 reviews and a consistent 4.7-star rating, it's clear this one's popular. Some users pointed out that it can be a bit cumbersome to lift when full. But let's be real, if you're cooking for a crowd, some weight is expected, and the trade-off is totally worth it for the cooking space you get. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and need something that can tackle larger meals. Skip this one if you usually cook for just 1 or 2 people. It's a fantastic value for the size and quality. Now, if you're looking for something with a little extra flexibility, the next one might catch your fancy. Product number 4, Utopia Kitchen 12-inch skillet. Next is the Utopia Kitchen Premium Cast Iron Skillet, priced at $27.99. This one caught my eye with its sturdy build and great reviews. If you want a reliable skillet that won't break the bank, this is worth a serious look. This 12-inch pan offers exceptional heat retention, ensuring your meals are evenly cooked every time. It's pre-seasoned, which means you can start cooking right away. The multi-purpose design makes it perfect for everything from frying to baking, and it's easy to clean too. With a 4.6-star rating from over 27,100 reviewers, it's a well-loved option. Some folks mention that it can rust if not dried properly. But honestly, this is something all cast iron users deal with, and with proper maintenance, you're going to have a fantastic cooking companion for years. This is perfect for you if you want a solid cast iron option without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're not ready to commit to the upkeep cast iron requires. For the price and performance, it's a great choice. Alright, that was a solid cast iron option. But the last one on my list adds a little more versatility. Product number 5, Cuisinal Skillet with Lid. Finally, we have the Cuisinal Cast Iron Skillet with Lid priced at $59.99. This one stands out because it comes with a lid which is pretty unique for cast iron. If you want a skillet that offers even more cooking options, this is worth a serious look. This skillet ensures precision heat distribution, which helps with all your cooking needs from frying to braising. The included lid has drip points for moisture retention, turning your skillet into a casserole dish as well. Plus, the silicone handle holder gives you a secure grip during cooking. With a 4.7-star rating from over 30,300 reviewers, it's clear this is a popular pick. However, some users felt the lid was a bit heavy. Here's the thing though, the weight ensures that it fits snugly, keeping moisture in, which can really enhance your dishes. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile cooking tool that does it all. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler skillet without the added features. It's a solid investment for anyone serious about their cooking. So that wraps up our top picks for cast iron skillets. In summary, whether you're looking for a compact option like the Lodge 6.5-inch skillet, a family-sized powerhouse like the Lodge 12-inch, or the versatile Cuisinal with its lid, there's something on this list for everyone. Each skillet has its strengths, and honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. Happy cooking!